The Ernie Bedlam Stories, The Golden Arches. You couldn't fool Ernie. His dad had tried, but made a big mistake. He drove past the Golden Arches on the way home from the liquor store. Thank God for Bear games, for Cub games, for Ham's beer, and for Kent's. They gave Ernie a chance to take center stage. Dad, I'm not going to stop screaming. You'll crash the car. It doesn't look good to have 3 accidents in 1 year, especially when you work for the National Safety Council. Claudia got a cheeseburger last week. I'm your only son. I'll tell Ma you took me to the bar instead of church, lost $5 on the Bears game, and swore in public. Hey, I'm 5 years old. I know how this world works. The horse I'm riding is going to win. Ernie got a milkshake, cheeseburger, and fries. Ernie's dad got drunk.